Okay, it's now 2 weeks before our trip to Jamaica. We've already started packing. This is the spare bedroom, and we lay everything out. We just came back a month ago from a trip to Cuba, so we do have quite a few things already pulled. So as you can see, even though it looks confusing, we do have a system. I already have my shirt picked that I'm going to wear, and the shorts I'm going to wear the morning we go. I have my backpack, which has my headphones, my sunglasses, book, other reading materials. Let's see, jeans, in case you need long pants, shorts, t-shirts, shoes, flip-flops, underwear, bathing suits, shirts. So I take a few of these. Also bring extra hangers, because not every resort has a lot of extra hangers, and you probably want to hang things up. Other little things that we bring along with us: floaty. You can get them at Walmart or Target. Drinking cup, so that I have more beer. In Jamaica, no straws, so we bring a drinking cup that you can drink from. How about this? This is a brush. It takes off sand off your feet and off your chair. Umbrella in case you need that. Oh, look, towel clips. So it's not to say that we're the best packers in the world, but we try to be really organized, and we hope to have fun on this next vacation.